Alright, so we're back here in the Richtech unit. Again, the IP address is 192.168.1.8. And I've gone into remote settings, email config, as this is one of the first changes this latest firmware will do. The first being that the SMTP server, email, and password, these are now set for you, as well as some of the config, encryption, and port. Again, Richtech is providing this SMTP server out of the box, so for those of you that do not want to configure this, now it will come with one. I personally recommend you change it to your own. If you previously had your own here, hate to tell you, but you will have to add it again. However, now you're going to have the email attachment come in every time an email alert gets triggered. So let's take a look at how those look. I'm just going to go ahead and just click on test so you can see the test and then also the current alarm on here. Alright, so I've opened up the two alarms that came in, again using the default SMTP server in this case. So this is how the email would look like. So it'll come in from Richtech and their email here. Again, you can configure and change it to your own back here, whatever you want to do that. The test itself is just very simple. It creates two images. Again, it's just testing some of the hardware version, software version, firmware. I'm going to go ahead and just close that one. And this is the one that's of interest to us in this particular case. It's giving us details that we need. I'm just going to just zoom in a little bit more. Again, this is coming to me via the email that I've set up in here. Let's open that alert one more time. And here you can see that it's saying name unknown, ID unknown. This is because I haven't turned on the facial recognition part. If I was to enable that, you'd be able to program a name and an ID. As far as temperature goes, again, I've done the temperature compensation, increased it by 3 degrees to simulate a high fever. And in this particular case, came up to 100.2. Again, it's giving you a couple more meta details. In particular, the timestamp with the date will be very useful, as well as the face mask, yes or no. Again, you can enable someone's detection for that as well. The alert will include it. So if you put on a face mask, you'll get one that says yes in this particular case. And again, who that person was that had the high reading. I know this was a big request that is now live and good to go. Make sure you get the firmware directly from us. That way you have everything you need. As far as the upgrade process itself goes, it follows the exact same as the last video that we had here. You're just going to go into remote settings, system maintain, firmware update, and you're just going to basically click on scan, find that update file that you've downloaded, go ahead and open it, and then just click on upgrade. Again, I've already done the upgrade here. Basically, it takes around 30 seconds to update. Then you're going to just, once it completes, just go ahead and refresh the page. It'll tell you it's waiting for reboot. Do not sit on the page. Just keep pressing refresh on your browser or Control R, depending how you want to refresh it. And once that's done, just go ahead and go to System Config, Device Info, and what you're looking for is the latest software version, which is basically, you want to look at this here, the 2020 0620. This is the latest update here.